welcome. This is my Jack with Manria and Real Estate Promo with another Flip It Friday video. And today I want to talk about estimating repairs on a property. And the simple process that we use is we got the Property Anaylzer tools that really simplifies and makes it very quick and accurate determination for the value. For example, this is one of my rental properties that I've been holding on to for about 10 plus years. And I finally went through to go ahead and do the updates on it because I was going to sell it this summer, and I realized the value there wasn't there because I hadn't done the improvements to the property. So we're doing the renovation on it right now. And I'm either going to still sell this thing because it's vacant right now. And so I'm either going to sell it or I'm going to refinance it, pull the cash out, and then keep it as a rental property. But after I got the renovations done on it. But one of the questions people ask me all the time is well, are those numbers accurate? Okay, so, and many people have seen me do the estimates on this particular property here because this is one of my rental properties, and when I do demos, a lot of times I use this particular property just because I know the numbers. And here's an example. The value on this one here, like if we look at the siding job, you can see the siding's getting done right now. The siding crew's back there. You might be able to hear them nailing on the other side of the house there. So while they're back there doing that, now my number when I run the repairs for the house came in at $6,500, and for the garage comes in around $1,500. It puts the total value around $8,000 for this particular property, right? For the siding. All right. Well, I know my crews can do that, but I thought, okay, I'm going to just get some bids from other investors or other contractors out there just to see what is going on in the market. So I called a bunch of investors. Some of them are even Manria members and had come out and make offers or bids on this property. And I was getting bids on this one anywhere from 13, I think this is the low, up to 17.5, I think was the highest one I got on this property. All right. And a lot of them were doing quick analysis, and they were coming up with 26, 28 square on the property. Well, it turns out it was 24 square, and my contractor bought 24 square with the material. And from the looks of it, we're going to actually have a little bit of extra, just down to the final touches there, and we still have a full box. So I figure we're only going to use about half of that, so it'll probably end up being around 23 square. Well, the total bill for this whole thing is going to come in right around $8,000 to $9,000 for the house and the garage, and my number came in at $8,000 on the system. But if you understand our system, we also add about 20% to that for all the miscellaneous items. And the miscellaneous items I'm talking about are going to be like wrapping some of the windows and doors on this property. So total probably going to end up being right around $9,000 by the time we're all said and done with that. Same with the roof. The roof actually was more surprising to me than anything else. Because the roof, the system said that the roof was going to be around $7,000, and I don't know if we can see the roof over here. Maybe I can get out here, give you guys a better view of that roof. Okay, so the system said it was going to be around $7,000, $7,500, and it did come in at $7,300 is what I came in at. But I got some bids from other contractors, and there again, those bids were coming in anywhere from, sorry about that. Those bids are coming in around anywhere from, I think the lowest one was around $15,000, and I think the highest one I got was around $20,000. So they were coming in even higher than the siding, and this one does have a lot of roof. And I'm not showing you the whole property. There's a lot of roof on this one. On the back side of it has a kind of flatter, and there's more house in the back of the property than it looks like from the front, so it's actually a lot of roof up there. But the numbers came in right on the money with what I've got, and that's the system that I teach using the Property Anaylzer tools. And if you're not familiar with that, if you're watching this video, this Flip It Friday video, probably either a Manria member or you already have a Property Anaylzer tools. So get in there and start using them. The numbers are very accurate. If you're not already on the Property Anaylzer tools, you can get that through your RIA. Contact my office, 763-432-2809. Again, number is 763-432-2809. Or go to manria.com or realestatepromo.com to contact me in my office, and we'll get you guys all set up with the Property Anaylzer tool It's like about $30 a month, and it gives you all the tools to walk through and do all the estimating repairs on this. So with that, thank you guys. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you guys back here next week with another Flip It Friday video.